Online tool, URL encoder decoder. Well, let's put in Google as an example of this. This is humanly readable. When we click encode, it scrambles it a little bit. That's because there are certain characters that are allowed in URLs and there are certain characters that are not allowed, and those get converted to hexadecimal. Now if we take this coded URL and stick it at the top and say decode, it then converts it back to the original. Now the coded URL is better for compatibility amongst browsers, so it's a useful little tool.